Every time a body is brought to the graveyard, the bad dream starts again in the minds of the sailors who are buried by the cathedral wall, where Adam and Eve turned to stone, ravaged by rain salt. Drowning is a cosy death, survivors say. Let go, give in, give up. Surrender to the tide that fills you with itself, smoothing every trace of worry from your face. Say the lucky ones who got away. The dead sailors hear murmurs like storm warnings through clouds of static, prayers said quickly in the foreign language of their new neighbours before they hurry home from the endless rain. When shovels of earth thump the wooden coffin, who knows if it's the heart knocking on the door of his chest, or a boat engine fading till there's nothing left, only worms darning our ravelled dreams, eternal rest without light, the perpetual fragrance of rain.